Who else gets distracted scrolling on your phone and realize you lost half your day? Then you have to find time to eat? No worries, my friends. I have some quick and easy meal prep ideas that'll help you spend less time in the kitchen and more time with the ones you love. You've got a lot going on, and prepping meals ahead of time can actually free up a lot of time for you to start that book club. That's really just an excuse to drink wine, or setting up that Instagram account for your cat. Kidding, not kidding. Let's get into 4 ways to meal prep to set you right for the week. First, we're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and we're gonna take a 12-cup muffin pan and fill the bottoms with a little bit of water. And then we're gonna put some uncracked eggs in each one. This way we can just cook them all at once while they're in the oven. You got a little pack of protein throughout the week. So we're gonna pop these on the bottom rack. So next, we're gonna prep our chicken. We're gonna take our 6 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, lay them out on a sheet pan lined with foil right here. We're gonna leave a little space between each one so that they cook evenly. We've already drizzled them with some oil. So now, let's talk about flavor. Yeah! Instead of seasoning all 6 of these with the same spices, we're gonna mix it up a little bit, because who likes to eat the same thing every night?
Diversify your chicken, guys.
So we're gonna flavor these up. These 2 have McCormick chili seasoning on them. These 2 right in the middle have Grill Mates Montreal chicken seasoning right here. For our last 2, I'm gonna salt and pepper these babies. Let's get it going. Some ground black pepper. Look at that. You got some variety for your week right there. So the eggs have been cooking for about 5 minutes. Let's make it a party and throw these chickens on the upper rack. So while those are cooking in there, we're gonna make a big old pot of rice. I like brown rice because it's got a nuttier taste, got some bite to it. So we got a medium saucepan, turn that on medium. And with brown rice, it's always a 2-to-1 ratio. So we're gonna take 2 cups of water and 1 cup of brown rice. Throw some salt in there. Oh wait, what am I doing? Bring that to a boil. Once that's boiling and bubbling, we're gonna reduce that heat to low, let it simmer for about 35, 40 minutes until the water is completely absorbed in all that rice. Now let's check on our chicken and eggs. And by the way, if you're wondering which came first, it's the duh. These look amazing. We're gonna check our chicken with a meat thermometer. Fun fact, one time I tried to check the temperature without taking the sleeve off the thermometer. Poke it right through and make sure we're at 165 degrees.
I think that sleeve comes off the thermometer.
Son of a bitch. Maybe don't do that. If it comes out to 165 degrees, it's perfect. So we'll set those aside to cool. It's been about 30 minutes, so we're gonna pull out our eggs, pop them in a bowl of ice water to stop them from cooking. After they've cooled down, just dry them off and put them right in the fridge. You can go ahead and peel them, and they're ready to eat. So it looks like our rice is done too. I'm gonna give that a good fluff, and we're gonna spread it out on this foil-lined sheet tray right here. Now I know this might seem weird, but it's actually a neat hack. It prevents the rice from continuing to cook, getting all mushy. No one wants mushy rice. No one wants mushy food in general. Ugh. Having lettuce on hand, great for meal prep. I already cut and washed my lettuce and keep it in a resealable plastic bag with a paper towel to have it fresh throughout the week. I got my greens, I got my grains, and I got my protein. I have a great foundation for meals throughout the week with a variety of flavors that I can mix and match however I want. Let's just make something. I got a bed of rice. We're gonna make a quick little salad. I'll throw some lettuce on top of that. I got chicken, and I got some eggs. And boom, you got a salad. Or, if you want to, you can add some salsa and cheese, and make a burrito bowl. Or if you want, throw it on a bun and add some barbecue sauce, and you got a barbecue chicken sandwich. Chop up that chicken, and then add an egg, and you got chicken salad. Or you can make tacos, or you can make deviled eggs, or you could just eat lettuce if eating lettuce is your thing, or you could just eat the rice.
Or you can just chomp on some chicken. Or you could just eat an egg. Or you could put the chicken on the rice, or you could put the egg with the rice.
Click the link below and subscribe for more tips and hacks to keep your weekly meal prep game stacked.